All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. A couple of things to point out on ACH on this update here. From this low to the high here on the macro scale on the 3-day chart, you can see we did have a 382 retracement down here. We did wick below it a little bit, but ultimately a 382 retracement for a nice bounce. So I just wanted to point that out there. That is extremely bullish. Another thing I want to point out, you can see that the stock RSI is still curled up here on the 3-day chart. And if you notice on this curl up here, you can see all these candles that spawned in green. If we go back here to the bottom, all these candles that spawned in green, we had a similar curl up from the bottom and a move up on the stock RSI here. So we're about right here. And you can notice that the momentum and these big green candles did not start coming in until the stock RSI was up here in the oversold or overbought area rather, and was kind of bouncing around up here. And then that's when we had these massive moves up. So we still have a lot of momentum on the more macro scale, in my opinion, for ACH here. It is still grinding higher. It still looks good, in my opinion. Switching back over to the daily, we're going to look at the Heikin-Ashi candles really quick. You can see indecisive for a couple of days here. We are printing green again with no shadows. So that just tells me that the trend to the upside is getting a little bit stronger here. Switching back over to the regular candles. So if you've been watching the channel, you know we've been watching these levels, this little triangle pattern that we formed, this downtrend, this uptrend we've been holding, and ultimately our little squiggly line move that we want to play out here, or we're expecting to play out anyway. I'm not saying it's going to play out, but as of now, we're about right in here on this. It's not to scale, but we're about right in here. You can see we broke resistance. We came up to this 1618 at 4.5. We pulled back, held our triangle, our downtrend here as support, and we're bouncing and moving higher. So what to watch for? You can see this dotted line right here. We've been getting stuck here for about the 5th day in a row. This is what we've been watching lately, this 4.1 area. This 4.16 is our price to beat. This is where we want to get over. No, that's where the price is. It's really about 4.1. 412 or so. So we want to close over 4.1 ultimately. You can see we have wicks above it, but we want to close above this, and then ACH will actually have a shot at grinding up here to this 1618 at 0.45, and then potentially up here to the top of our box where we wicked back here, up here at this 5152 level. So that's ultimately our goal, is to keep grinding higher, get over these support levels, and then eventually make a good move higher up here to our 2272 at 9 cents on ACH here. And from this triangle breakout here, that's about 150% move. So, I'll take what I can get. We're still looking at it. We're still grinding higher. The price is still riding the 21-day EMA here for support. And you can see here, it is curling up still. So as long as this thing curls up, along with the 50-day EMA and the 200-day EMA, I'll have that nice little incline up. It's just going to carry the price up with it. So just wanted to make a quick update. Hopefully you understood all that. I know it's a lot of information to take in, but like I said, it just everything on the chart's telling me that ACH wants to grind higher. We even have a bullish cross here from the top on the daily stock RSI, so that is a good sign that there's some momentum here on the daily time frame. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. Just kind of watch all those prices there. As long as we don't pull back and come back down to our 21 and our downtrend here, and this 1414 at about 358. If we lose 358, anywhere from this 369 you can see here in blue down to this 358. If we lose this price area here, then this uptrend is no longer intact. We lose our support at our 21, and then I would say this is not going to play out. So kind of watch that price to the downside, and you're going to come down here to your 50 for your last ditch effort to stay alive and pump higher. Down here to this 3.3 where it currently is. So if you lose this support here and you come down here to your 50 with a wick or a candle and you lose that, then that was your top back here, and you're just going to start crashing down, probably down here to 2 cents or lower, depending on if you break through your 200-day moving average here. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. Too much information in one video. With that said, not financial advice. Good luck, everyone. Peace out.